Here are 3 businesses that you can start even if you're young and don't have a lot of money. And these will make you real money. And make sure you stay till the end to figure out how you can actually come up with a great business idea. So we'll start off with what a bad business idea is. Now, one of the ones that I really don't like is dropshipping. Dropshipping is oversaturated. It really doesn't solve a problem. And there's just no passion involved, which means that people cannot commit enough to make it work. See, the thing about business is that whenever you're trying to start a business, especially if you're an entrepreneur, it takes a lot of work to get it going. Like, people really don't understand how much it really takes to start a business. So if you are not passionate enough to be able to work hard all of the time, even whenever you don't feel like it, you will not succeed, which is why dropshipping is so terrible, because no one is really connected with dropshipping. No, but that's not anybody's passion, is to dropship. They just do that for a little quick cash, which I guess I understand, but it will never become a very amazing, profitable business for you. And there are much better ways to come up with one. So whenever trying to come up with a business idea, you should be trying to find something that is new, that hasn't been done before. You want to solve a problem or pain that people have not solved before, because that is where the real money is. Think about all the stuff that you or your family owns. Almost all of the expensive stuff probably solves a problem. Or maybe it's entertainment, but that is still a problem, is boredom. And try to solve a pain, because that you can charge a lot more for than just a normal problem. Next, like we talked about earlier with the problem with dropshipping, is that it needs to be something that you are passionate about. If you are not passionate about it, you will not be able to spend enough time to be able to dedicate yourself to making that business profitable, and you will end up just burning out. So I'll use myself as an example for this one. Me and my business partner have started a business where we help other young adults and teenagers find and start the right business for them, which is kind of what this video is about. But we started this because whenever we were trying to find the right business for us, because we always knew we were interested in business, we couldn't figure out what to pick. That was our biggest problem. We tried dropshipping, we tried making mugs, like who cares about that? But now we found a step-by-step system that we teach to other people, that we use to create this business. And we teach that to other people because we know that that is a problem that other people care about. And it means a lot to us. It's our passion, because it happened to us. Like, that was a problem that we had, and our passion is business. And at first I thought, well, maybe this will be just a good way to make money. I wasn't sure if it was my passion, but whenever I got into my first call with my first client, I realized that I was really intrigued on trying to help him solve his business problems. So really, I am passionate about it, and maybe you will be too. It may take a little bit of time to realize that you are really passionate about it, like it did for us. But just, yeah, make sure you find something that you are passionate about, or else your business most likely will not work. Or if you're already in the position of like an owner over a whole bunch of employees, which I don't really know how you would do unless you're already rich, find employees that are passionate about it, and you can just oversee them and do the business side of things. If you do not have all 3 of these things, your business will stall no matter what. Number 1 is a problem. You need to know what problem you are solving, because if you are not solving a problem, you are not creating a business. And it's possible that there is a problem in what you want to do. You might just want to look deeper into what you were trying to start your business on, because I mean, if you really look hard enough, you can probably find a problem in everything. But if you cannot say what problem you are solving or who you are helping in one sentence, your business is basically just a hobby. Number 2 is proof. People need to know why they can trust you, so you need to give them a reason to trust you. If you have no proof to your clients or customers, your business will gain no traction and will not start making real money. If you can't show your customers or clients your results, then you will have no leverage over them, and they will be equal to you. This is why I recommend giving your first few customers whatever you sell or your product or your service for free, so then you can gain testimonials like I am working on right now, which I already have a few. But get testimonials from them, so then you can show your paying customers that you know what you are doing and how you've helped others in the past. Number 3 is path. What exact result do you deliver to your customers or clients? This needs to not be vague. You need to be specific on how you help them and what you will do for them. Don't just be like, I will make you money. All right, it needs to be a lot more specific than that. Basically meaning that you should be telling them how you are going to help them make money and how you have helped others in the past. Some topics can be saving time, making money like I mentioned, reducing stress, or getting a specific result faster than before. A lot of entrepreneurs don't fail because of lack of effort. They fail because of their ideas, or they decide to go with the business that is just not right for them. The hardest part isn't starting the right business, it's picking the best version of that business or the best way that you go about making it and helping your customers or clients. Now, luckily, that's what me and my partner help you fix. Comment the word start underneath this video, and me and my partners will check to see if your business is worth moving forward with. And if you have no idea and you comment start, just tell me that and we will put you through our free program and one-on-one coaching to help you come up with a good idea for you. Remember that if your business doesn't solve a real problem with a real result and doesn't know who they are solving that problem for, then realistically, you need this. You need to come to us, or you need to take a lot of time and figure out how to specify that stuff for yourselves. I hope you're taking notes on that, because that is going to be the base of your business. You need to understand all of that. If you have not figured that out yet, then you don't know how to move forward. You cannot continue to build your business if you don't know the business yourself or how you're going to make it work. I really like the idea of doing more work early and then less work later. Your involvement in the business should be very high at the beginning, and as you go, you should be able to let it run itself without you being involved as much. But you cannot get to that point if you do not know how the business starts in the first place, if you don't know how to get customers. Like, there's so much that comes to making a business that people just don't understand sometimes, and there's really no ways other than our blueprint, our program, that helps you figure this stuff out, especially with one-on-one coaching and stuff like that. But yes, just make sure that you have all of this figured out, because this is what your business is based around, and you will not be able to continue with your business if you do not understand all of these things. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you comment in the comment section the start so we can help you guys, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.